Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Raid. Raid means rapid surprise attack on enemy by troops. For example, a bombing raid. A bombing raid. Synonyms: surprise attack, hit and run raid, tip and run raid.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The U.S. initiated bombing raids and dispatched ground troops. Now, repeat after me. The U.S. initiated bombing raids and dispatched ground troops. The second exemplar. The unit also did night raids and bombed enemy land targets. Now, repeat after me. The unit also did night raids and bombed enemy land targets. The third exemplar. He began flying aircraft and was soon involved in bombing raids. Now, repeat after me. He began flying aircraft and was soon involved in bombing raids.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Time is the most commonly used noun in English. Although, this can't be taken as a definitive answer because usages change every day, and the results are based on a single study conducted by Oxford Online.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.